confused. Because I don't want to get in trouble with Amtrak and get a ticket. Goodbye, River. Just listen.
What is this? What is this? It's a...
What is going on, everybody? It's your boy Truu Gemini. I am here in Michigan for the Indiana-Michigan River Trail. However, the GPS took me to the Amtrak station. And where I'm at, there's a lot of houses. So I have no idea what to expect right now. So I'm gonna look at this map and figure out where I'm supposed to go. But I'm parked at an Amtrak station. It's crazy. Okay, so apparently this trail runs off the railroad. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And it's a concrete trail. It's a little disappointing. That's where I came from. Let's see. It says I go that way. If that's the case, maybe should I park over there? Okay, so I'm now at the trailhead, as you can see. Now what I don't understand is this made me park all the way. Amtrak was like a quarter-mile away, which it's no issue, but I don't know what'll happen with me parking there and being gone. Oh, I'm right next to the river and being gone. So hopefully they don't ticket the car, or even worse, tow the car. I hope they don't. So let's check out this trail. So we are under the railroad, and look what I'm looking at. It's pretty dope. And those houses over there. It's pretty dope. Just get back up and start this hike. See, the river splits in two. This is when you really need a paddleboard. Look at that. See that over there? So that's a little island right there. So it doesn't really split. I mean, it splits, but comes back together around that island. That's pretty dope. So we want to see how close we get to over there. I've never been here, so I might go right up to it. Let's do it. That's drenched. This is gorgeous. I mean, the area is nasty, but this is dope. My suggestion, wherever you go for vacation, business, travel, wherever you travel, explore the area. Go hiking. You never know what beauty's around you until you check it out. And man, it is gorgeous. I love it. You never know unless you get out there. And it's so worth it. So worth it. To see the wildlife. There's a dog park over here. It's so worth coming out here. Such a blessing. There's railroad tracks. That means I'm almost at Amtrak. So yeah, it's time to get back to the car and finish what I'm supposed to be doing here. Goodbye, River. I don't know if I'll ever see you again. Probably won't, but it was a great experience. All right, let's go. Alright, y'all. Made it back to the car. Time to drink up some water, hydrate up, and hit the road. Hey, I love it. It was nice. It's worth it. Deuces.
Come on, man. It's